Yes, grade 7. Assalamu alaikum. Beta, our today's topic is from chapter 3. Again, we're going to revise the chapter 3. Today, we are going to take an overview of the whole chapter, almost the whole chapter. Our chapter is about the immunity and the disease. First, we should know what is immunity. It is the ability of a body to fight against disease and keep ourselves healthy and fit. And it's a natural immune system is present in our body since we birth, as well as we can also receive the immunity from the external source as well as gradually when we grow up. So in the simple term, if we consider immunity, it is like our body personal army which attack the germs and protect us from any type of bacterial and viral disease. And the immunity is very important. The importance can be seen as if we are not immune, a small cold can also affect us or could be dangerous for us. So immunity is very important and we can't survive without the immunity. The question is to whom we are fighting, and we are fighting against the pathogens. And what are the pathogens? They cause the disease, and we have 4 main types of pathogens, but here we only discuss the 3 as the 4th one is not included in the syllabus or book. The 4th one is protozoa. Here we discuss only 3, the bacteria, the viruses and the fungi. And here are some diseases that are caused by these type of pathogens, as the bacteria cause strep throat, food poisoning. Strep throat is it's your throat disease which is caused by streptococcus bacteria, and it causes whooping cough. And the viruses, it causes flu, covid and chickenpox. And fungi caused ringworm and athlete's foot. And these are different diseases. And what we came to know from this is the bacterial diseases are different and the disease caused by viruses are different. Similarly, their treatment is also different. We can't treat the viral disease with the bacterial treatment or the bacterial disease with the viral treatment, as we know that in the case of cold or flu, the antibiotics can't affect on us. The reason is the cold and the flu is the viral disease. Okay, so let's move forward. Here is different types of a line of defense which we had already discussed before: first line, second line and the third line. And these are just like the battalion in the army. If the first failed, the second came to an action. If the second failed, third came to an action. And each line of defense has different types of function which protect us from different types of disease. The first act to protect the body from entering the germs inside it, and the second line of defense, it attacks the germ if the germs get in. Okay, if the first line of defense fails and the germs get in your body, then the second line of defense came to an action. And the third line of defense, it target the specific germs and also produce memory cells which remember that particular types of germs. And the different types of your body parts involved in these line of defense, or you can say different types of we have different components. Okay? We have different components which work in this line of defense. Like in the case of first line, we have skin, tear, mucus, stomach acid. In the case of second, we have white blood cells in the fever. In the case of third line of defense, we have antibodies and the vaccines. Here is a diagram which shows you the first line of defense, in which we have physical barriers. Like in the case of skin, it prevents the entry of bacteria, viruses, fungi. Right now you are seeing in the picture as well that it prevents the entry of these type of disease. Similarly, we have respiratory tract. In the respiratory tract, we have mucus layer and the cilia, which protect the entry of any dust particle and germs as they stuck inside the mucus layer. In the case of stomach, we have acid, HCl. It kills the bacteria as the acid has low pH, and bacteria kills by acid, or you can say acid kills the bacteria. Okay, and these are some of the basic examples which are present in your book, although we have other examples as well in this picture, like lysozyme, it is present in tear aansu, in saliva, thuk and mucus bulgum. Okay, the lysozymes, they are present in these 3 things which protect you from the disease as they destroy the bacterial cell. Lysozymes. Okay, these are the you can say protein which are present in tear, saliva and the mucus. Okay, first is the first line of defense. Here are the example. The goal is to keep the germs out, and we had already discussed here: skin, mucus in nose, tears and saliva, stomach acid, it destroys the germs in food. Skin, it's a waterproof fall. No germs can enter if it is unbroken. If it is broken, then germs can enter. If you have a crack heels, then germs can enter in your body through your crack heels. So protect your heels, okay? And the mucus in the nose, it traps the dust. And the germs and the tears and saliva, they have the chemicals that kills the germs. Second line of defense include white blood cell. If the germ get past your skin, then WBC is attacked on it, and we have phagocytes for it. They eat the whole germ as a whole, like a monster. Phagocytes are the monster which protect us, our body. Oh no, we can say it's a soldier, not a monster. It protects our body. And the fever, if the body is high, heat up to kill the germ, because germs hate heat. If we get any inflammation or swollen area or red area, then WBCs are also present there, and they fight against that particular germs, or you can say disease or bacteria. So these three things are also the example, or you can say the components that are involved in second line of defense. These are your soldier, phagocytes, fever and inflammation, that work very well in your second line of defense. Here is another picture. There is a tissue injury which leads to the redness, heat, swelling and pain. Then what happens next is the phagocytes reach over there and it remove the cell debris to protect your injury from any type of infection. जब इंजरी होती है, ज़ख्मी होती है, बाज़ दफ़ा ज़ख्म ख़राब हो जाता है, तो उसको ख़राब होने से बचने के लिए फैगोसाइट्स आते हैं, ताकि जो भी आपका सेल ख़त्म हो गया है, रप्चर हो गया है, डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया है, तो वो इसको रिमूव कर देते हैं. तो ये काम होता है इनका. और ये पिक्चर बहुत डीप है. Only consider those things which are relevant in the book, like the tissue injury, redness, heat, swelling, pain, phagocytes. All phagocytes, neutrophils, natural killer cells, they all are types of white blood cells. Okay. And here is a third line of defense, which include antibodies, that are the special proteins that are made to fight one specific germs. And the antibodies are like lock and key. Like for a specific lock, there is a key. Similarly, each antibody fits with a specific type of pathogen. And then the next is a memory cell. Memory cell, it protects you from the future disease. It circulates in your body, in your blood all the time, to protect you from any type of disease. For example, like chickenpox, COVID-19. As we get vaccinated for such type of disease, we protect ourselves for such type of particular disease in the future as well. Here is the B cell response. In the previous lecture, we have discussed it before, that the T cell activate the B cell, then they produce plasma cell. Plasma cell produce antibodies. In addition to the plasma cell, and we have memory cells as well, which provide you long-term protection. So in this way, this immunity works. Here is your assignment work. This it is taken from your book. What you have to do is you have to solve this assignment work on your book, and with the help of pen. Okay, with the help of pen, you people will solve it on your book. The function of B cell and T cell, and the matching of the symptoms with the disease. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.